Hey guys, let's do today some variations of push-ups to tone up the back and the chest with no equipment, no dumbbells, only body weight. Let's go for it. Let's start with a little warm-up. Take your hands forward. You need to pull your elbows back, then take your hands forward. Do it with a little pressure. Inhale and exhale. Inhale back, exhale forward. Now from up to down. Taking the elbows a little back. Now, take your hands up, then drop the hands down, take them up, down, and up. Relax. Let's roll your hands this way. Keep rolling, moving the shoulders. Opposite side. Relax. Let's go for the routine now. Let's do the first variation of push-ups. We need to keep the palms just under the shoulders. Make sure your back is flat. And when you go down, the elbows come close to the rib cage. Look forward, pull the abdomen in. Inhale to go down, exhale to come up. If you want to make it a little easier, you should keep the knees down, but make sure not touching the abdomen down. When you go down, elbows coming close to the rib cage, looking forward, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. If you want to make it further easier, keep your palms just under the shoulders and slowly go down and come up. Down and up. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. That's very easy to perform. Another variation of push-ups. Now you need to keep the palms outside the mat. Take it wider, and this time we shall take the elbows outside. Look forward. Keep your palms in parallel to the shoulders. Inhale to go down. Taking the elbows out this time. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Again, if you want to make it easier, keep your knees down, but make sure you're not touching the abdomen down. Inhale down, exhale up. Further easy. Keep your palms under the shoulders, then going down. That's very easy. The third variation is diamond push-ups. Believe you me, it's the best to tone up the chest. You need to keep the index fingers and thumb tips together, and make sure when you go down, you're taking your chest on the palms, not your chin. So go up and looking forward. Knees are straight and high. Inhale, take the chest down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Want to make it easier? Keep the knees down and inhale down, exhale up. Further easier. Inhale down, exhale up. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's make a half circle. I wish you all the best, guys, to have a superb toned up back and chest. Thank you so much.